I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Google account and that Skylight supports calendar import. This prevents permission errors later. Once done, open the Skylight app or settings on the device and navigate to calendar or integrations. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account you want to display. This is critical because Skylight pulls events only from the authenticated account. Tap Add Calendar or Connect Google to start the OAuth flow and present the Google sign-in screen. You'll now complete the authorization. Grant Skylight permission to view and manage calendars so events can appear. After signing into Google, select specific calendars to sync. This reduces clutter and keeps private calendars out. Once selected, confirm sync settings like refresh interval or event detail level. Skylight may offer options for event color or daily summary. Make these choices based on how much detail you want to show at a glance. Because frequent syncs use more network. Finish by verifying that today's events display correctly and that time zones match both Google and Skylight. Mismatched zones cause missing or shifted events. If items don't appear, force a manual sync in Skylight, restart the app, and wait a minute. If problems persist, reauthorize Google access from Skylight settings and check your Google account's connected apps permissions. Revoking and re-adding the connection often resolves token issues. If that fails, restart the device and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.